Today we have a special instrument from Germany. It's from Endress Hauser, as you can see over here. That's an Endress Hauser Promag version 5WBB50. So this is an electromagnetic flow meter. You can see over here, these are the flanges. These are the flanges, and the size is mentioned over here. This material is also mentioned over here. So this is a P16A105 flange, and the flange is being used to connect with the pipe from left to right. So the media flows through the pipe, and it measures, the flow meter measures the velocity of that particular media. So this is a special device that is being used in the industries. This specific one is being used for Hyundai. Thank you.